In this review of Sybbex, I explored the platform to see if it truly lives up to its promise of modern trading for smart investors. Sybbex presents itself as a cutting-edge trading platform with innovative solutions designed for sophisticated investors. And while there are some interesting features, there are also areas that raised questions. The interface is user-friendly, making it easy to navigate, but I noticed that certain functions could be more transparent, especially when it comes to fees and withdrawal processing times. The trading tools provided are decent, offering some useful insights, but I found that the execution speed wasn't always as fast as I expected, which could be a concern for active traders. The customer support is responsive, but there were moments where the answers felt scripted rather than personalized, which might not be ideal for someone looking for detailed guidance. In terms of legitimacy, I didn't come across any outright red flags, but at the same time, I wouldn't say it completely stands out as a top-tier trading platform. It seems like Sybbex has potential, but whether it's the right platform depends on individual needs and risk tolerance. While some users may find value in its features, others might prefer a platform with a longer track record and more transparent policies. Overall, my experience was mixed. There were positives, but also a few concerns that I'd want to see addressed before fully recommending it.